Welcome to the Art of Consistency course, where we will explore the profound impact that consistency can have on personal and professional growth. Consistency is not just a habit, it is a mindset that can transform your life and help you achieve your goals. In this course, we will delve into the principles and practices that will empower you to cultivate a consistent approach in all areas of your life. Whether you aspire to build healthier habits, achieve career success, or enhance your relationships, the Art of Consistency course will provide you with the tools and strategies to stay focused, motivated, and on track. Through introspective exercises, practical tips, and real-life examples, you will learn how to harness the power of consistency to create lasting change and unlock your full potential. Join us on this transformative journey and discover how embracing consistency can lead to greater productivity, fulfillment, and success in every aspect of your life. Let's embark on a path of growth and progress together through the art of consistency.